In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add data labels to your Excel chart in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and click once on any of the data bars or lines in your chart. This selects the data series that you want to work with. After you click, take a quick look at the chart and make sure you can see the small selection handles around that series. That confirms Excel knows exactly which part of the chart you have selected. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the chart area. You should see a small green plus icon. This is the Chart Elements button, and it gives you quick access to features you can add to your chart, including data labels. Click that plus icon to open the list of chart elements. From there, find the option labeled Data Labels. Instead of clicking the checkbox right away, hover your mouse over Data Labels so you can access more placement options. You will see a small black arrow to the right. Click that arrow to open the side menu. In the side menu, select Outside End. This option places the data labels just above or just beyond each data point, depending on the chart type. It is often the easiest position to read because it keeps the values visible without covering the bars, lines, or markers in the chart. Once you select Outside End, the labels should appear automatically. Take a moment to verify that the values are now showing above each data point. This is a good way to confirm that the labels were added correctly and are easy to read. Now that the labels are visible, you can make them stand out a little more. Click one of the newly added numbers. When you do this, Excel will select all of the data labels in that series. This allows you to format them all at once instead of changing each label individually. After that, go to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. In the Font section, click the bold button shown as a B. This makes the data labels darker and more noticeable, which can help your chart look clearer and more polished, especially when you are presenting it or sharing it with others. That is all you need to do. Your chart now includes bold, easy-to-read data labels that make the values much easier to understand at a glance. That covers everything you need to know.